Hello students, good morning to you all. I am your computer teacher Arpita Nimani. Hope you all had a safe and wonderful Diwali. Now let's get back to our studies. So today we will begin with the next chapter of your computer textbook, chapter number 5, Introduction to Logo. Children's, first let us learn what is logo. So logo is a simple computer language used to draw figures, type text and perform simple arithmetic calculations. Okay, so what is logo? Logo is a computer language by using which we can type, we can draw figures and do simple calculations. Just as we use a pencil to draw and write in a notebook, logo uses a pen for drawing. Logo also uses a pen for drawing. This pen looks like a triangle and is called a turtle. So, the pen of logo looks like a triangle. See the image shown below, children's. It looks like a triangle and it is called turtle. So, what is turtle? The turtle is a small triangle that draws lines on the logo screen. It has two parts. The top part of the turtle is known as the head and the bottom part of the turtle is known as the tail. See, in the figure it is mentioned, children. The top part is called head and the bottom part is called tail. A logo turtle can draw only when we give it a command. So, it can draw only when we ask it to do so. Okay, and the turtle understands only logo commands. Okay. Now what is command? Command means an order or an instruction. The logo turtle carries out or executes the instruction or command typed by us. The commands in logo are known as primitives. What it is called? Primitives. So, whatever instruction we give to the computer in logo, it is called command. And the type of instruction is called primitives. Okay. Now, let us move ahead. Now, childrens, we will study starting MSW logo. So, how to start MSW logo? MSW Logo is a version of logo for use with Microsoft Windows. So, MSW stands for Microsoft Windows. To start MSW logo, the steps are: first, click Start. On the left side, at the bottom place, we know there is Start. In that, click All Programs. In all programs, go to Microsoft Windows logo. Then in Microsoft Windows logo, you can do Microsoft Windows logo folder will get opened. Okay. Below is the image given how we can start. Second, the MSW logo screen will be displayed. So, the MSW logo screen is like this, children, you can see. The MSW logo screen is divided into two parts. The upper part is called, the big one is called main screen, and the second part, the bottom one, is called commander window. Okay. In main screen, the main screen is the area where pictures are drawn. So, what is main screen? It is the area where we draws pictures. The logo turtle is also displayed on this screen. The logo turtle, that triangle figure, is also displayed on the main screen. The logo turtle executes the instruction or command typed by us. Okay? Next part comes the commander window. The commander window is the area where commands are typed and some are also executed. So, where we give the command is called the commander window. The commander window is further divided into two sections, the input box and the recall list box. Input box is the area where you type all your commands. The commands will be carried out only if you press the enter key or click the execute button. So, commander window is further divided into two parts, the input box and the recall list box. In the input box, we used to type the commands and it will only get execute when we press the enter key. Okay? Next comes the recall list box. The recall list box area keeps a record of the instructions we type in the input box and also see the results of some of our commands here. So it keeps the record. If the list of commands goes out of view, we can click the scroll bar to view the commands. Okay? If we are going on typing the commands and if we can't see the upper commands what we have typed, we can click the scroll bar to view the commands in the recall list box. Okay? Now we will move to control buttons. There are a few control buttons on the right hand side of the MSW logo screen. Right hand side. These buttons are used to perform different tasks. So each button has to perform different tasks. In this chapter, we will discuss only execute button, status button and the reset button. There are also some other buttons like trace, halt, step and pause. Now first we will study about execute button. After typing a command in the input box, we can run it by clicking the execute button. As we saw in the input box, we can only execute it by entering the execute button or the enter key. Okay, so this button is used for executing our command. Next button comes the status button. The status button displays a status window showing the current settings in logo. Means it shows what is the size, what is the width, style, heading, etc. Clicking on it again closes the window. On page number 52 of your textbook, there is an image given which shows how the status window looks like. Next comes the reset button. The reset button clears the logo output screen or the main screen and brings the turtle back to center of the screen. Understood? It clears the logo output screen and brings the turtle back to the center of the screen. Now let's move ahead. How to enter MSW logo commands. Children, for drawing a square, click inside the input box. First FD80, in which FD is forward. Then press enter. Now type RT90. RT means right. And then press enter. First, see in the image, it will start from bottom. Forward means it will take up, then right side, then again down side and then again right side. So we have to make a square, and so we have to type 4 times forward 80 and 4 times RT 90. So after that you will see a square figure like this. Okay. Now let's come to how to exit logo. We can exit logo in any of the following ways. If we type buy in the input box and press enter key, we have to type buy, bye wala buy, BYE buy. Or we can also go on file and exit. Okay. Now children, as we are done with the chapter, let's move to the exercise of this chapter. Page number 55, your computer textbook. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. The MSW logo screen is divided into main screen and commander window. Commander window. B. The dash is used to type commands. The input box. You can execute a command by pressing the dash key or clicking the dash button. So, by pressing the enter key or by clicking the exit button or execute button. D. The dash is used to record the instructions. Recall list box. E. The dash button clears the output screen and brings the turtle to the center of the screen. The reset button. Question number 2. Write true or false. A. You can change the shape of the turtle. No, we can't change the shape of the turtle, so it will be false. B. The turtle sits on the main screen. Yes, true. C. The logo screen is divided into 3 parts. False, it is divided into 2 parts. D. The input box keeps a record of the instructions. No. False. E. The control buttons are present on the left hand side of the screen. False. They are present on the right hand side. Okay. Question number 3. Who am I? A. I am a simple computer language used to draw figures, write text and do simple calculations. I am logo. Logo. I am a small triangle that draws lines on the logo screen. Number B. I am turtle. B. Turtle. C. I am an instruction given to the logo turtle. Command. D. I am the area where you type a logo command. In commander window. E. I am the button used to execute a logo command. Execute. Question number 5 on page number 56. Choose the correct option. The shape of the turtle is a triangle. B. The MSW logo screen is divided into dash sections. It is divided into 2 sections. The area in which the commands are typed is called the recall list box, input box, main screen, or none of these. It is none of these because it is called commander window. D. The area that records the instructions is called the recall list box. E. This button is used to clear the output and brings the turtle to the center position of the screen. It is reset button. Okay, children, now all of you go through this chapter very well. Okay, thank you.